Operators. Python has different types of operators for different operations. To create a calculator, we require arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Operator name example. Plus addition 15 plus 7. Subtraction 15 to 7. Asterisk multiplication 5 asterisk 7. Asterisk exponential 5 asterisk 3. Division 5/3. Percent modulus 15% 7. Floor division 15 7. Exercise. N is equal to 15. M is equal to 7. Uns 1 is equal to n plus m. Print addition of n and m is uns 1. Uns 2 is equal to nm. Print subtraction of n and m is uns 2. Uns 3 is equal to n asterisk m. Print multiplication of n and m is uns 3. Uns 4 is equal to nm. Print division of n and m is uns 4. Uns 5 is equal to n% m. Print modulus of n and m is uns 5. Uns 6 is equal to nm. Print floor division of n and m is uns 6. Explanation. Here n and m are two variables in which the integer value is being stored. Variables uns 1, uns 2, uns 3, uns 4, uns 5 and uns 6 contains the outputs corresponding to addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus and floor division respectively.